The exhibit hall at the Miller County Fairgrounds was full of activity Sunday afternoon as close to 100 kids and their families lined up to check in projects that will be on display at the fair during the fourth week of July. Elizabeth Kopic says she can't wait to find out if the cake she worked so hard on will take home a blue ribbon.
It took a really long time. We had to make the fondant. There was a lot of fondant involved. We had to cut fondant strips and put them on here with icing, and we had to mold my elephant. It took a few afternoons.
If you make it down to the fair, you'll see lots of different projects, from handmade quilts and handcrafted woodwork to dozens of colorful cakes and all kinds of animals. Emily Voss says she learned a lot from raising a steer that she'll show in this year's fair.
I am with him ever since he gets weaned at 6 months old, breaking him to lead and just messing with him so he is like a big puppy dog.
The fairgrounds will fill up with rides and food vendors by Tuesday, but the fair itself kicks off with the Miss Miller County pageants Monday night. Everyone I spoke to says they're very excited for fair season to get underway.
It's a lot of fun. They're working on getting their cattle and their pigs and their goats all ready, so it's a lot of excitement.
We have a lot of great things to offer, and this is just one of the great things to get a lot of people involved, and it's a great thing for kids to get involved in and help them become part of their community.
Chris Shepard, KRCG 13, Eldon.